How to log in into SAP Fiori Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into SAP Fiori Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in sapcommunity.com and hit enter. On the SAP community homepage, look at the right side of your screen and tap on the login icon. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your username in the username field and click on next. Next, type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly, then click on the login button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the SAP Fiori Employee Portal dashboard. Here you can access various features such as viewing your work schedule, checking your payroll information, managing your tasks and more. And that's it. With this, you are now logged in into SAP Fiori Employee Portal and get ready to explore its feature. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.